Unveiled at IDEF 2025 in Istanbul, the GÜRZ unmanned air defense platform by ASELSAN signals a major leap forward in Türkiye's push for cutting-edge autonomous military solutions. Engineered to counter the escalating danger posed by drones, cruise missiles, loitering munitions, and low-flying helicopters, GÜRZ embodies a modern response to the demands of high-speed, multi-domain warfare. Designed for autonomous or remote-controlled use, it meets the need for fast, flexible, and decentralized air defense amid the chaos of today's battlefield conditions. In an age where drone saturation and precision-guided threats are reshaping combat dynamics, GÜRZ stands as a forward-looking system tailored for both national and allied defense. Its reveal comes as part of Türkiye's broader strategy to harden its defenses against increasingly agile and low-cost aerial threats. The GÜRZ unit combines mobility with a dual-weapon architecture, blending missile and gun systems for versatile engagement. What sets it apart is not just firepower but the inclusion of artificial intelligence. This capability allows GÜRZ to detect, track, and eliminate airborne targets with minimal human input. Seamless integration with Türkiye's existing defense command infrastructure, including the Herix and Hakim systems, ensures it operates as a node within a broader, layered defense ecosystem. Built to intercept threats at very short ranges, the system can rapidly relocate and protect either mobile military units or key fixed assets. Unlike older SHORAD platforms that require human fire control and have single-mode engagement limitations, GÜRZ is engineered to think and react autonomously. Its AI-powered targeting and engagement are effective even under conditions of electronic warfare, where human operators may struggle with delayed reaction times. Although only recently showcased, GÜRZ is the product of several years of development rooted in ASELSAN's growing expertise in autonomous combat systems. Lessons from recent wars, where traditional defenses were overwhelmed by UAVs, have directly influenced the system's architecture. Components from earlier ASELSAN programs like Korkut and Deniz were reimagined into a smarter, unmanned platform designed for tomorrow's conflict landscape. In contrast to systems like the US Avenger or Germany's Sky Shield, GÜRZ brings greater operational independence and weapon versatility. It joins the ranks of next-generation air defense platforms like Rheinmetall's Sky Ranger 30 but with the added advantage of native integration into Türkiye's defense grid and compatibility with NATO infrastructure, making it especially appealing for foreign buyers and alliance partners looking for plug-and-play solutions in their force structures. Beyond the technical achievement, GÜRZ carries strategic significance. It underscores Türkiye's ambition to achieve greater self-reliance in advanced defense technology. With its military forces active across multiple theaters, from Syria to the eastern Mediterranean, Ankara needs systems that can deploy quickly, adapt to emerging threats, and maintain combat effectiveness on the move. GÜRZ delivers precisely that. Regionally, the system boosts Türkiye's ability to deter threats from drone-centric actors, including militias and state-backed proxies using swarm tactics or low-cost precision weapons. At the alliance level, it strengthens NATO's short-range air defense posture by offering a scalable, modern, and AI-integrated solution that can fit into broader C4ISR networks. The GÜRZ unveiling is more than a product launch, it's a strategic statement. ASELSAN's creation offers a glimpse into how autonomous defense platforms will shape the future of armed conflict. By combining real-time AI processing, networked command, and dual interceptor flexibility in a mobile chassis, Türkiye has presented a platform that answers both the tactical and strategic questions posed by 21st-century air threats.